Kapag nakita niyo po itong message na ito or video na ito before July 5, the new moon, ito po message na ito ay para sa inyo, especially dun sa mga zodiac sign na babanggitin ko. Movements, choices, and decisions. So nakakakita ko dito that you might be in a situation na kailangan yung gumawa ng isang malaking desisyon, either lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng trabaho. There's something about the movement. Ito yung parang gagawa kayo ng isang choices. At itong magiging choices ninyo is medyo mahirap, pero whether it is again through romance, finances, career, to whichever aspects of your life, no? Pero ang magiging decision nyo dito is parang ginaguide kayo, no? To make the right decision. Shadow. So I feel like meron na talaga ditong mga sabihin nating challenges. And I think that those challenges are being manifested, no, by our way of thinking as well. Pwedeng tayo ang gumagawa nito. Pero I think that we will free ourselves, no? Pagdating dito sa mga changes na ito and challenges. So, Ace of Wands. For those of you who's looking for passions, no, especially for the Leos, makakakita ko dito na chances are itong na wala nanlamig, no, na passion sa inyong relationship ay babalik muli, no? And I am seeing with the 10 of Pentacles, no? So nakakakita ko dito na ito nga yung mga choices, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, merong dahil sa isang desisyon, no, merong mga perang dadating, especially if you are Taurus or has Taurus placement in their chart, Leo or has Leo placement in their chart, no, 9 of Wands. And I feel like that the opening is about to start or already starting, like what I mentioned, medyo paparating na siya. At napakagandang balita dahil there are I think that there are wishes to be fulfilled in here, no? With the Ace of Pentacles, maraming opportunities ang dadating. Nakakita ko dito, talagang ang Taurus and Leo, parang napaka-dominant nila ngayon nitong mga dadating na up until July the 5th. Maraming opportunities, maraming pwedeng masimulan dahil sa mga decision making, no? With the Page of Pentacles, I think that this is not just an opportunity that will also knocks on your door, not just with the starting of the career. Para sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho or gusto mag-start ng business, they can really start up their business. I think that they are really into more those sabihin nating mga guides, no, from the spirits are really guiding you to the paths of success. There is a message for you though. Let go of the old and make way for the new. You may find yourself being distracted by random thoughts, fears, or doubts. Don't allow yourself to be governed by them. Simply observe and choose to take aligned actions and choices. So I think that we are, the energy of these cards are really aligned dahil nakikita ko dito maraming mga challenges. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, this might be a self-sabotage when it comes to the past weeks or months, no? Tayo din kasi ang gumagawa ng sarili nating kumbaga challenges dahil sa mga distractions, no, na ating pinagtutuunan ng pansin. Pero this time, I think that you're going to really focus on yourself and there are alignment, katulad nga sabi dito, dahil sa mga decisions and actions na ating gagawin. So congratulations, especially sa Taurus and Leo. This week actually is made for you. So thank you.